But they're taken to Shady Grove Hospital. Unfortunately, they don't make it. So now the 3 children will inherit. But what happens, in order for that to happen, where they inherit the money, these assets, the checking, the stock, the money market, the CD, the house, all have to go to the probate court. The Register of Wills, probate court here in Montgomery County, assuming they live in Rockville. And then they have to wait a certain amount of time, and they pay money. Not they, but the estate will have to pay money for this probate process. And then finally, after the time, and it's at least 6 months, and the money has been spent, which is on average 3.4%, excuse me, 3.6% of the value of what their assets are. So for example, and a lot of people in Montgomery County, with the price of their houses, even though they may not be what they were 5 years ago, but a lot of people are looking at $1 million because they have a house that's worth $200,000-300,000, and between retirement and everything else. So let's say it's $1 million. So their cost for this probate process is approximately $36,000. But that is just for the Montgomery County, Maryland property. You remember, they happen to have a beach house. That beach house has to go to probate also in Delaware, which also costs money. It's based on what the value of that beach condo is, so it's not on top of this. But there's 2 probates that have to take place. We have probate 1 here in Delaware, or excuse me, 1 is in Maryland, probate 2 in Delaware. So finally, after the time has gone by and the cost has been paid, the children, Manny, Mo, and Jack, finally are happy because they've received their money from their parents. But they have to have gone through that whole process for that to have happened. Okay?